Hi guys, thank you for watching my channel. So today we are going to talk about a very mysterious topic, which is 5 doors you should never open. So without getting late, let's watch it. So the first place we're going to talk about is Burnt Spring in Canada. It is a best vacation to be at, however there is an untold mystery behind the Majestic Hotel. Room 873 on the 8th floor, there is no room, instead there is a long stretch wall where the door is supposed to be. No guest is allowed to be in the room 873, including the staff of the hotel. People saying that in 1922, a married couple and their daughter checked in, but none of them were alive to check out the hotel. At night, the father was murdered his wife and daughter after killing himself. From that day, guests who booked room 873 were found on complaining about screams and bloody handprints of the girls on the mirror. As a result, the room was sealed. Now, there is no door for room 873, but room 872 and 874 was there. So, the second place we're going to see is Taj Mahal. Well, the epitome of love, which was built over a span of 20 years, has a few mysterious doors blocked for no one to enter. It has a total of 1089 rooms, but there are some rooms which were hidden from everyone. The locked doors makes us wonder what are there inside the doors. The controversial which people knows that Mumtaz Mahal is buried there in one of those rooms. Those who believe in this theory are of the view that the dead body of Mumtaz Mahal is present there in the same condition in which she was when she died. Could you believe that Taj Mahal, which has a romantic nations attracted to it, could be mysterious enough leave you bewildered? So the third place we're going to see is the Great Sphinx of Giza in Egypt. A mythical creature with the body of a lion and head of a human was built 4,800 years ago. It took 100 workers and 3 years to complete it. The mystery of the Sphinx is that there lie two rectangular chambers at the depth of 25 feet, which is 7.6 meters. It was discovered by seismographs and are located under the Sphinx paws. The researchers are on view that these are two entrances to those chambers, but they are sealed. Government officials have restricted further research, and hence what lies behind the chambers are a mystery. However, some believe that the door to the chamber may lead to a hall of records that contains document scroll in which the Egyptians had managed to record the history of the missing of continent of Atlantis. So the fourth place we're going to see is the mausoleum of the first emperor Qin Shi Huang. Qin Shi Huang, known as the first emperor, died in 210 BC and remained buried under the sands surrounded by mercury for 2000 years. He put an end to feudalism and reunited the country under Qin dynasty. In 1974, some farmer found strange figure which is a terracotta soldier. According to researchers, there might be around 8,000 soldiers. So far, 2,000 have been excavated. The emperor tomb, is much larger than it is detected, around 38 miles. However, what lies inside is a mystery and will remain so. The only guess so far is what Han Dynasty historian Xiang Qian has written in his history records. According to Xiang Qian, the mausoleum contains palaces and towers and so much of treasures. So the fifth and interesting door that should never open is in India at Padmaswamy Temple. The temple is a holy shrine to God Mahavishnu, and the door that has been never opened from 16th century. It was built by the King of Travancore, known for their wealth, and renovated. The temple has 6 floors A to F and had been never opened until 2011, when 5 out of 6 walls were open. Treasures including gold, diamonds, and gold coins were discovered from the vaults. The estimated value of the treasures are $1 trillion. The 6th vault remains closed even today, with 2 cobras decorated on the gate with no latches, revealing that the vault is guarded by cobras. People say that in 1920s that the temple invades into the vaults could not succeed because of the terrible cobras that has came out from the doors. Also, there is belief that the doors is protected by a fatal curse and can only open by sadhu who has the knowledge of Garuda mantra. But the highlight is, now no one is alive who knows the Garuda mantra, and the one who knows couldn't open the door because it's not a proper song. People believe that there will be a lot of treasure like other 5 doors, and also some believe that the door will lead to ocean, which was created to kill their enemies in the war in the ancient time. I think you guys might be wonder to know what is hidden behind all the 5 doors. I also so excited to know what hidden behind the doors when I researched the topic. So guys, I think this video will be so meaningful to you, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Till we meet in the next video, see you guys. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.